What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing Tuesday. Tomorrow is the CPI data report. It's going to be released 1 hour before the market opens. I do want to ask you, I don't have to, but I'm thinking of hosting a live session free on YouTube. If this video gets over 1,500 likes by midnight tonight, I'd be more than happy to host that free live CPI data report live stream so we can capture the market reacting to the inflation report. Let's go ahead and start sharing my screen so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm looking at. I'm going to get right into it. What is the market's expectation for tomorrow's CPI, also known as inflation report? It is 3.1% is the forecast that is currently being factored in. You have to think about it. We were at 9.1%. Now we've dropped to 4%, and tomorrow it's going to report what's to come, right? We do not know if it's going to come in at the actual 3.1%, but why are we expecting such a big drop? I wanted to explain this to you guys in a very simple way, right? So for those that are unaware of where this is actually reported, oh, we got Remy. Remy, you have to sit down. We have to tell them about the inflation report tomorrow, right? We were talking about this. So tomorrow's inflation report, you guys can actually find it on bls.gov/CPI. You can go to the PDF format, and it's literally super simple to read. It's just line items, and then you look at the new month that is being reported. So tomorrow, they're going to be adding, you see how the first one that you see right here on the right-hand side is May? They're going to be adding the month of June because now June is completed for 2023, so it gets reported in July. Once that report comes out, it will tell us what line items saw an increase or a decrease in inflation. Tomorrow, regardless if we live stream it or not, I'm going to break the CPI data report. So again, another reason to subscribe to the channel, right, Remy? That's what I keep telling them, yeah. So what and why would we see such a big drop, right? Well, if you look at the overall expectation, the expectation for tomorrow's CPI data report is an increase, huh, Remy? It's an increase of 0.3%. But if we're going to see an increase of 0.3%, how is inflation going from 4.0% to 3.1%? How does that make sense? Well, again, there's a formula behind it, and you drop the previous year of the last 12 months. So what we mean by this is, do you see how in May, we added the month of May, but then we took away the previous month. Yeah, I'll grab it for you right now, Mamas. That we took away the previous month of the 0.9. So when we add the new month of June, we're going to be taking away 1.2% of our current inflation rate. So out of the 4% that you see in our current inflation rate, it's not exactly, but it's 1.2% that is just for last year's June. And that's the crazy part. So by taking away last year's June and adding the new month of June, I've only seen an increase of 0.3%. That is how we are expected to see a drop from 4% down to 3.1%. Now, there's an exact formula on how you can actually calculate it. And again, it's based off of seasonal adjustment for the past 12 months. But I wanted you to have a rough understanding of this. Let me go ahead and grab Remy's doll so she can sit a little still. Look how creepy this thing looks, but she loves it, huh, Mamas? Yep. All right. But yeah, I mean, I wanted you guys to understand the website that it was going to be released at, bls.gov/CPI. I wanted you to understand why they're expecting such a big drop. And I wanted you to also understand the market's expectation for tomorrow's forecast for that CPI data report. According to the Fed Rate Monitor tool, again, another reason that there's still a lot of uncertainty with our current market right now is because on the next FOMC meeting, which is expected to be on July 26th, right, Remy? July 26, 2023, right? That's what it says? Yes, you have to say yes. Yep, there you go. We're expecting there's a 94.2% probability that the Federal Reserve will be raising interest rates. So we'll just have to follow up, wait, and see on how the market actually interprets that. Uh-oh, Remy keeps dropping it. All right, but as you guys can see, as of right now, NASDAQ market is back in the green. TQQQ is up nearly 1%. We'll just have to wait and see how the market actually ends. I'll keep you guys up to date if you're part of our LPP team. Again, I'm going to be trading live tomorrow right at market open. And if you get this video to over 1,500 likes, then we should be able to host that free live session for the market to react to that CPI data report, which is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, which is 1 hour before the market opens, wherever it is that you are. Really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. It looks like Remy is covering her ears. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Do you want to say bye, Remy? You say bye to the camera. Yep, bye. Take care, guys.